Retiling the water feature. I will show you when it's finished. This is in the reception and lounge area. The bar opens at 5:30 in the afternoon and closes at 11:30 at night. All the staff have been nice and friendly. One of the barmen is fantastic at making cocktails, and he really takes pride in the making of them. But this does not mean the other barmen are not as good, but watching this guy do them, he does it like an artist. He made 6 pina coladas into big shakers from scratch and got them just right, with all the right amount of ingredients measured by his skill alone. He was amazing to watch. The light and colours coming through the ceiling onto the floor during the day, little styling details.
That's the dining area down there. There's water features all over the complex. They tend to turn it off at night so it's a bit quieter, and then back on in the morning about 7:30. Reps desks. Waterfall's not running, but behind here's a path and it's waterfall. Behind the waterfall that goes into the foyer, but it's not running. This is television lounge to watch sports. Back at reception.
The water feature finished. This is the top pool, known as the quiet pool. No ball games or inflatables, only armbands and floats for young kids. The pool down at the bottom is 4 games and the inflatables, as we will see on this walk.
Behind here is usually a waterfall. They turn it off on a night and it's not running at the moment. Most of the water features here, they turn off at night. Cuts down the noise, probably the electricity as well. It's a big complex. There's 2 big pools and then there's a kiddie area down at the bottom. That's a pool bar and restaurant. This is where they do the Pilates, yoga and that sort of thing. Just down these steps there's the animation. Kids club. Over there's the villas and houses. And down there's the restaurant, buffet. Little arcade for the kids. There's table tennis, bowling, tennis. There's even an archaeological walk which I'm going to go on sometime, not today.
A guy said to me that this complex is like a video game. As you walk along, more emerge in front of you.
Little aviary with canaries in. Gardens are kept immaculate. Really like this hotel. Giant chess, tennis court. You've got astroturfed areas down here and up at the other pool. Children's play area. That's the kids' pool. And this is the large pool down here. There's two jacuzzis down here, one up at the other pool. This pool's same size and shape as the other one. That's the pool bar down here, and the cafeteria and restaurant. And these here are the premium apartments. Yesterday at this time round here were absolutely rammed. Yesterday was Sunday, this is Monday. There's not so many people this morning. Built some pick up. There's no reserving on some beds, but people do. I've seen people down here at 7 o'clock in the morning putting their stuff on some beds. As I said before, that's a pool bar. You can sit up here, you can take the drinks to your seats by the pool. Waterfall in full flow now. I've been to some hotels and some expensive hotels in my life, but I've never known this. This area here is a relaxation area, and in here a little lounge area, and this is for on the day of your departure. You've got towels there, lockers, you put €1 in but you get €1 back for your key. And then you've got toilets, showers. And you've got male and female side. How good is that? If you like that, give us a thumbs up. Little changing areas here and beds, so you can come and have a nap, have a doze when you're kicked out of the room at 12 o'clock, which isn't a bad time really. Even a travel cot, you won't be able to see that in this one. Even a travel cot for the little bambinos. How good is that?